What's up guys? Tayo po nagbabalik sa panibagong video na kung saan dahil nga walang pasok, maglalaro nga tayo ng short horror game story. So bago nga natin simulan itong video na to guys, kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na at i-share mo na to sa mga tropa mo. Ako na-share mo na sa mga tropa pips mo, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So siguro maglalaro tayo ng Blackout Dorn kasi nalaro ko na rin yan. Yung Lookout, Night Janitor Shift. Nalaro ko na rin yan. Willis Game. Fight Love, Stalker. Accident. Sige, dito muna tayo since hindi ko pa nalaro to. Dun tayo sa may kasama. Sige. Tayo papasok na yun. Hindi tayo makapasok. Dito na ako guys kasi feeling ko mag-enjoy naman ako kahit ako lang mag-isa dito sa larong to eh. So, let's go. Tignan natin kung ano meron sa larong to. Okay, we are here. Ayan na par, loading game na, let's go. Meron kaya sa larong to na hindi natin alam. Feeling ko mag-enjoy naman ako dito, di ba? Ayan na par. May paganyan-ganyan pa yan, syempre. Di ba? Hindi po yung sponsor pero baka naman. Yan nga, ito na. We are here. Oh. The time. Time pass quick when you are real alone. Tama. I shall probably get started on my homework before it gets any later. Feeling ko college student tayo dito or senior high or high school student, syempre. Kasi ako lang mag-isa eh. So, ito yung ano. So, we are here. So, paano to? Probably akit ako. Or kakain muna ako. Open your phone. Ito. And then after ko ma-open your phone. Ano may? I used to know this for my mother. Darling, I remember Erica. Struggle. Yes, I know, Mom. Make sure you give away the email during the protest. I am fine, Mom. I already told you that she is weirdo. 97%, halatang di tayo nag-cellphone na. Alright, just making sure that also don't forget about your homework tonight, honey. Opo, ma'am. Okay. Probably okay na. Hindi mo siya pwedeng isin eh. I shall do homework. And then suspicious. There's a suspicious bedroom. I should. Okay, go. Punta na tayo daw sa taas kasi probably buksan ko to. Daming homework yan. Later the night. Daming homework. Here's a new from it. Why did not take me for something? Ito. Meron siyang bagong message. I think we are perfect for each other, really. Really, I do this. Our love is incredible. We think break up. We're sorry, Erica. I'm just going to work out. Tama. I see you soon. Erica even texting me that it's late night. I just until tomorrow. Talaga ba? Ay, sweetie, I forgot to ask you what you mean. I didn't have time to go before we had to leave. Opo. I guess I could do it. Alam mo guys, yung ganitong mga nakakatakot na game, talaga nakakatakot siya kasi in terms na ikaw lang mag-isa sa bahay. Tapos ganito siya. I want to always have to do our chores. Tama? Yes, I can do it. Okay. Interest na ako lang mag-isa dito. Kailangan natin pumunta sa baba. Yung iba nasa taas. Nasa taas yung iba. Ang dami kong labahan na kailangan kunin. Nasa yung iba sa labas pa? Feeling ko nasa labas yung iba. Oh, paano kukunin yun? Nasa taas eh. So, I think nasa taas nga siya. Pero ba? Ito. We can close the door, please. Ang dami kong labahan, guys. Things. Oh. Nasa yung washing nasa baba, right? Wash machine pala. Nasa labas. Hindi nandito. Hoy! Par, nakita mo yun, par? Something strange going on. May na-strange na po nangyayari. We're ringing the double doorbell. Sleep. I guess you check the CCTV first before you... Feeling ko may jumpscare. Package. Ito. What the... Erica must have left this for me. Ano nakalagay? She needs to get over it. And I broke up with her because she always would stalk me. Tama. She always wanted to know excellent where was what I was doing and was talking with. It got annoying. Suspicious kasi guys, nakikita niya tanto. Ano nilagay niya? What's that? Something strange. I came from upstairs in my parents' room. And I shall investigate. Nakakatakot lang kasi. Where I coming from? Nakakatakot lang siya in terms na ganito. I'm going crazy, I think. What the? I swear saw something in the window. Like just seeing things. I shall lock the door shut. Tama, ilock mo na lang ito. Just in case. Nakatakot lang kasi mayroong siyang ganyan. Wait, what? Punta ako sa bahay. Punta ako sa kwarto. Punta ako sa kwarto. Ano yung bag? Pero dyan guys nga, ilock mo na lang yung mga pinto. Para safe na rin ako. Feeling ko horror nga ito eh. Kahit ako takot na nga. Ano yan? May nakalakpang hindi? Ito. Okay, something go. I shall try to do my homework. Finish it now. Wow, lalabas ulit talaga ako. Pero nakalupit, kuya. Sige, sarang may pinto kasi nakakatakot lang. Baka may bubulot. Later in the night. Gabi talaga siya. Okay. Who's the door? The door is there. Huwag mo nang bubuksan. I shall open it. Even I open it. But what if it's Erica? But she has weapon or something? She's tracking the way. This way too far. Parpa! Ah! Tumugos siya, pare. Something strange. I lock the door. Okay, pizza. Huh? Pizza? Who ordered pizza to my house? Paano? Hindi ako nag-deliver ng pizza. Hey kid, took you a while to answer. Everything alright? Yeah, it's none for your business. You guys already. Whatever paranoid pizza here's, it's yours. It's already paid for. I'm going to pay for it. Yes. I was probably my crazy ex then. She is been trying to get me to date her again. I really don't care. Here's the pizza, kid. Alright, thanks. Wait, what? No tip? You don't know I'm supposed to. That's 30% kid. Huh? Wait lang ah. So suspicious. So ito yung pizza. Really, I forget to tell you, I will order you some pizza. I hope you enjoyed. Ma-enjoy ko siya, ma'am, pero I love you. Love you too. Oh my goodness, nakakatakot lang dito, par. Yung palang nanay natin yung nagdala dito. Yung nanay natin sa laro. The pizza guys scare me, but thank you, mom. I love you too. Nakalagay dito. Okay. Nakakatakot pa. Wait lang. I know you love gifts to go overlook any garage. Stalker siya, par. Together with you. Weirdo. Kung ako hindi na ako pupunta dito sa garage. Kung ako lang masusunod, di ako pupunta. You can ignore me, whatever. ko sa garage. Go look in the garage. Kung ako hindi ako titingin kasi nakakatakot lang. May blender pala doon. May blender. May ulo. Parang may ulo. Oh my goodness, nakakatakot na. Nakakatakot na ba? Wala akong baril. Oh my goodness. What are you talking about, Erica? It's not funny. Parang nakakatakot na dito Not seriously, pero nakakatakot. No. Creepy Nakakatakot siya actually. Ano to? Meron pa. You feel the hay of you know what you want ka. Multo siya, weirdo, ganun ba? Killer? Punta ka dito? I think kasi nakakatakot. I keep someone. Oh my goodness. Ang bilis ng laro pa. Hindi ko na malaya na pindutin ko yung screenshot. Pero nga guys, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa video na to. Maraming salamat sa panonood ninyo. At sana nag-enjoy po kayo na medyo nakakatakot siya. Yun na para sa araw na to. Sa muli, paalam.